So okay guys, good morning. At bisitahin natin ulit si Chucky na pang ilang days niya na to. So kahapon hindi natin na visit kasi nag-assist kami sa parade kahapon. So ngayon, train natin ulit siya. Let's go. Chucky! Ayan si Chucky guys. Okay. So, okay guys, continuous natin. Ito na si Chucky. Ayan. Ayan. Chucky. Chucky. Good girl. Good boy. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Chucky, come here. Come here. Come. Come. Let's go. Good boy. Good boy. Come here. Come here. Come. Good. Good boy. Come. Come. Good boy. Come. Seven. Come. Chucky, come. Good boy. Yeah. Good boy.